one just remaining. The man from Spain.
Real millionaires. Cargo, my cargo, 160, swiftly. Wreck by your new one. Run, you can run. I know you see this.
Muy bien, Edgar Gonzalez, muy bien. He's wild. Yes. Nearly fell off his bike. We all saw that. Everybody saw it. Everyone. I saw it. Ladies and gentlemen. Good song choice as well. Muy bien. Mi casa, su casa. Edgar. I don't know what that means, but I think it's Spanish. Yes. Next man then, just off a broken wrist from Chile. Riding. He's riding that YZ250 to Dynamite by AC/DC TNT, and he is going to be moving high. Ladies and gentlemen, from Chile, TV screen. Well, this boy has impressed. Undoubtedly, we saw him last year come from nowhere to really push Villa. He's not really well qualified. He's got his knack of landing so far deep into those landings. He's a big lad. He's the same height on his bike as when he stands up. And this boy is awesome. From Chile.